Here to discuss with you a treatment device that will treat your acne at home and also address your anti-aging concerns. So if you have those dual skincare solutions like I love to discuss, then you are in the right place, and stick around for the video.
You ready?
Hi, I'm Lynn. Welcome to my channel. I am a skincare enthusiast and product junkie. I have suffered from cystic acne, adult onset acne, and I am passionate about anti-aging and maturing skincare solutions. So for me, it's really about dual skincare solutions. It's really about being able to treat active acne, keep acne at bay, and look into those anti-aging and maturing skincare solutions all at the same time. Part of the reason I mention this is the device we're discussing today, which is the best at-home device I know for acne people. It can help the acne sufferer who has active acne. It can help my acne people who have got more of the occasional breakout. But then if you're somebody who is a past acne person who gets a very occasional breakout, but you still have the hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, there is still a lot of use for you for this device. So the device we're discussing today is the Ziip Beauty Nanocurrent Electrical Facial Device, also just referred to as the Ziip. I'll insert a photo of it here. This thing is amazing. I've had it for years and I just have to share about it. Some things that are really cool about it: it's very sleek. It's got one button to turn it on and off. It's got a charging port. And when we're talking about electrical facial devices, when you've got your conductive gel on, the Ziip lights up. So you know 100% that you are getting conductivity and that you are having a successful facial. So there are other devices on the market that you can put the gel on and you can be running it through, but you have no indicator as to whether or not you are having a successful facial. So now, if you've never heard of electrical facials or microcurrent or nanocurrent facials, you're thinking, what is she talking about? What is the Ziip? So simply put, the main category for all of these is really called microcurrent. The Ziip is a little bit specialized, but you'll hear it mostly referred to as microcurrent facials. And how microcurrent facials work is you put a conductive gel on your face, and then you use a device that will help conduct microcurrent into your skin. So what this does is, number one, it stimulates muscles. So that will help create a lift in your face to prevent sagging jowls, help prevent wrinkles. Number two, the microcurrent will stimulate ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This will move through the cells and help build collagen. Now, collagen is the scaffolding that holds our skin up in our face as far as anti-aging is concerned. The third thing that will happen is that the microcurrent can help with lymphatic drainage, almost like a facial massage. So you can see that microcurrent is extraordinarily popular for anti-aging. But wait a second, Lynn. We're here to discuss acne. I clicked on this for acne. And this is where the Ziip separates itself, and this is where the Ziip shines. The Ziip is programmable. It has an app. I'll insert a picture here. And it uses nanocurrent as opposed to just microcurrent, so that it has downloadable apps that go with the device. There is an app called Total Clearing, in which the device does not just do frequency between the two poles, but one of the poles becomes positive, one of the poles becomes negative, and you can circle that over areas of acneic concern on your face. And you can actually feel a tingle if you get over a bacteria area on your face where you've got any acne that is active. And so what that does is it kills off the acne bacteria. It's amazing. You can actually feel it working. And so if you get over an area, you can actually continue to circle until you don't feel the tingle anymore, and then you know you've killed off the acne bacteria. Now, when I first started using the Ziip, my chin was so broken out that the Total Clearing module at 8 minutes was not long enough for me to be able to get the entire area clear. So you can do total clearing every other day. And within 2 weeks, my chin started to totally clear. An active acne sufferer, you can use this. So I'm saying run, go get a Ziip. This will help you starting the first day you start to use it. Now, if you're somebody that has an occasional breakout, same thing. Put on your conductive gel to do your anti-aging programs. Go over the areas where you know you have breakouts and you can help them resolve. Now, what about the folks that don't really get breakouts much anymore? Well, you can use total clearing and run it over your face to check for potential breakouts. If you feel a tingle, well, that's an area where some acne bacteria is trying to get started again. So you can head off these breakouts at the path. Now, there's another program on the Ziip app, which will be essential for my acne people in all 3 groups, and that is the pigment program. Now, we know that after we have acne, we get post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The other thing is, I will posit that physical acne scars, ice pick scars, boxcar scars have pigmentation in them. I have found on my cheek where I have got these boxcar scars that there's pigmentation in there when I look closely. So there is a downloadable program on the Ziip app that once again is directional, where you can run the pigment program over areas of concern. Now, I have freckles. I love freckles. They are cute. This is not for freckles. This is for pigment derangement. So this is melasma, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And again, you have your conductive gel on. It's a 6-minute program. Run the Ziip over your face, over those areas of concern. It can be done every other day, coupled with the anti-aging programs that are on the Ziip. Now, I mentioned the Conductivity gel, and people will look at the website and they do offer 3 conductivity gels. There's a gold, a silver, and then one that they call their crystal gel that comes in a black jar. And people will always ask me, which one should I get? And the information I can offer is this. When I got my Ziip, the only gel that came with it was the gold. And I got that, and it did feel irritating to my skin. At the time, my skin was very, very broken out, but it was the gel that came with it, so I used it. Now, Ziip does recognize this in their PR because they say that they developed the silver gel for sensitive skin types. So I immediately ordered the silver gel and started using that. and used that successfully with no problem. Now, when the crystal gel came out, it's in a black jar. I'll show you a picture of that one right there. I ordered that and started using it. When you read on Ziip's website, they like to say that their conductivity gel is supposed to nourish your skin and you feel like it's a facial with the gel while you're doing your electrical facial. So the gold irritated my skin, the silver felt fine, and the black crystal gel, which by the way, if this matters to you, is 100% organic, if that matters to you. The crystal gel actually did feel good on my skin in the sense that it felt soothing, and when I took it off, my skin felt good. The silver felt fine. You know, it was neither a plus nor a minus, but I didn't feel like I'd given myself a facial. Now, the next question that's going to be begged to ask is, do I have to use the Ziip Gel? And this is another big advantage if you're just thinking about a microcurrent device. Because the Ziip has a light so that you know you're getting conductivity, you do not have to be obligated to use the Ziip Gel. You're going to get a jar of it when you order your device, so you're going to have one to start. But after that, if it's not particularly important to you, then you are not obligated to use their gel. You can use any, conductivity gel that you have or that you're willing to purchase. You just need to make sure that the light goes on so that you are definitely getting conduction. The other question I get often is, which model should I purchase? The Ziip GX or the Ziip OX? And what I'm going to say about this is there's no real difference in the devices. They both download all 9 programs. The decision you're making is this: do I want the gold gel with the GX? Do I want the crystal gel with the OX? Do I want my Ziip to have a gold metal band around it with the GX? Do I want my Ziip to have a silver metal band around it with the OX? That is the decision that you're making. So the devices are not different. They have the same downloadable programs. Now, what about anti-aging? What's the Ziip going to do for me as far as anti-aging? Well, the app has programs that are pre-programmed in that are full face treatment programs that you can use that will help lift and tone and treat the full face. There's one that's called Energize, and there's one that's called Sensitive Energize. Those I both recommend. There are also programs that target specific areas of the face. So there's one called the 11s that's for the forehead, and there's one that's called Vitalize that you can use to target not only under eye bags, also crow's feet, a little bit of hooded eyes. Now, interestingly enough, this is where the app shines. There are video tutorials where Melanie Simon, the founder of Ziip, takes you through, and you can do the treatment in time with her, so you know exactly how to move your Ziip, just like an electrical esthetician would. But as she's walking you through that, she gives tips and tricks on what she calls free forming with various programs. So for example, the Vitalize program, she talked about how to use that to treat upper lip barcode lines, which I've been doing for about a year and have seen amazing improvement. So we've talked about the Ziip as an acne treatment device and how the total clearing program can be used for active acne and also be used to help investigate and prevent active breakouts. We've also talked about how the pigment program can be used to treat pigment derangements from melasma to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and also to investigate for pigment at the base of physical acne scarring. Now, okay, so we've been in the weeds a little bit on this. So what are my final thoughts? on the Ziip. As an acne treatment device, it is a winner. You can treat active breakouts, you can prevent future breakouts, and we know we get pigmentation as a result of breakouts and possibly pigmentation and scars, and the Ziip can help treat that. As an anti-aging device, it's a comprehensive treatment modality. It helps lift and tone muscles, it helps with lymphatic drainage, it can help stimulate collagen. As a microcurrent device, I think it stands above other devices because you've got a light, so you know it's working, you know you're getting conductivity. And then there's the app, okay? We can't forget the app. Number one, it's got video tutorials from the world's best electrical esthetician, so you at home can refine your technique. And then it's got the downloadable programs that are always being added to, so your Ziip only becomes more valuable with time. So do I recommend the Ziip for acne treatment and anti-aging? Yes, I do. 2 thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Also hit subscribe for more video content like this where we discuss acne and anti-aging. Thanks so much for watching.